Even if you have great experience in selling on Amazon, product research might be overwhelming. How can you narrow down the choices and focus on the best niche? In this video, I'll show you how to conduct Amazon product research by using Jungle Scout step by step. Why use Jungle Scout? The software is especially designed for Amazon sellers. Jungle Scout monitors 1 billion Amazon products, and it supports over 500,000 entrepreneurs' businesses on Amazon. Users are quite satisfied with it. Our product research team has been using it in combination with market reports to provide related sales data and insights. It's worth mentioning that you can find the products that we recommend for selling on Amazon directly on our homepage. As for the plan, Suite is the most popular choice, and it provides all features you need for product research, including Opportunity Finder, Product Database, Keyword Scout, Product Tracker, etc. We'll look at them in more depth later. Now, let's get started with the topic: how to do Amazon product research with Jungle Scout. Step 1. Learn about the top categories. To increase your chances of success, you should definitely focus on the top categories on Amazon. Here are some questions that you might have. What categories sell the most on Amazon? What are the most profitable? What is the required experience level for selling in a specific category? You can find related statistics in Amazon sales reports, industry news, or on websites dedicated to providing information to Amazon sellers. This is an in-depth article I found on Jungle Scout's blog. As we can see, the sales of home and kitchen products rank on the top, followed by sports and outdoors. In terms of profitability, you can refer to the average profit margin here. As for the required selling experience, you might be interested in these categories: appliances, books, video games, electronics, toys and games. Step 2. Estimate sales. After getting an overview of the top categories, go to Jungle Scout, log into your account, launch Sales Estimator in the toolbox. Choose the Amazon marketplace you are in or want to enter, as well as the product category that interests you. Then enter the best sales rank number that you aim for to get an estimate of the monthly sales. If you're not sure whether the number is good enough or not, you might compare it with the sales of products in the top 10, or those in another product category. If a category is super big, like home and kitchen, it's recommended to target a lower rank at the beginning, for example, 2,000 to 3,000. In this way, you'll be able to narrow down the choices to several categories. Step 3. Find great opportunities. Go to Product Research Opportunity Finder to explore product ideas. Firstly, you should select the marketplace and all product categories that you are concerned about. Secondly, to find products that can bring good sales volumes and high margins, you should look at products sell at least 300 units per month, priced at around $20 to $50. Thirdly, the search volumes should be at least 5,000. Next, set the niche score. The niche score is graded on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 is the best, so you'd better look at scores above 5. What's more, make sure to exclude niches in which the competition is high or very high. You may enter keywords that you want to include or exclude here. It's worth mentioning that you can save the filtering options by clicking Save Filter so that you can load the filter set later. After setting the filter set, you can start exploring the opportunities. It's recommended that you look at the average monthly units sold in descending order, check the prices, search volume, search trends, and so on. Once you've found a niche that seems good enough, click the arrow next to it to learn the historical data. Finally, check the sales of the top 10 sellers. If the sales of the top 3 account for at least 75% of the niche, it's better keep away from it. Step 4. Conduct keyword research. Choose keywords, Keyword Scout, and enter the exact keyword that interests you in the previous step. Set the minimum search volume for the exact keyword and broad match, 5,000 and 15,000 respectively. For keywords with exceptional performance in the past, click on them to check more historical data. Finally, add the trending keywords to a keyword list so that you can find them in Keyword Tracker later. Step 5. Look for competitive products. To do this, go to Product Database. Set the same price and sales as in the previous step, and enter the exact keyword. To find products that sell well without high ratings and good listings, you can configure these two filters: rating and listing quality score. You may set the maximum rating around 4.5 and the maximum listing quality score around 8. Click Apply to view the results. Pay keen attention to those with just a few reviews and add them to the product tracker. Step 6. Calculate the profit margin. In the price column, net and fees are displayed in orange. They are clickable. If you're particularly interested in the profits of a product, you may launch the FBA Profit Calculator, enter an estimate of the product cost, and you'll be able to find out how much your competitor can earn per sale. In this way, you can quickly know whether it is worthwhile to sell the product or not. Step 7. Keep track of your competitors. Go to Product Tracker. You can either learn about the sales of products one by one, or get a group overview. Alerts for these products are automatically on. You may configure alert settings to receive alerts via email to stay informed of changes in bestseller ranking, price, rating, reviews, and so on. By following the steps above, you can easily identify profitable trending products to make sales while monitoring the trends and competitive products. All the best with your product research. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials. Stay tuned!